everyone, Psychic Shadow here with my brother slash sister, and we're gonna be doing a 1v1 one in the chamber nerf battle. 3 rounds.
Can you see more?
And that right there is going to be the person following us around. That's my sister.
I'm gonna smack her.
Alright, let's go!
No.
But we do the meet up first.
She actually did smack me.
Alright, go. I'm gonna be, well wait, we gotta see what guns we're using. I am using the Nerf Zombie Strike pistol. And she is using the Mega Roto Fury.
Okay, which one? Wait, which one am I gonna follow around?
Mostly me, because it's gonna be like a first person. Here, I'll do it.
No.
This is going to be like in a first person view. Hang on, I'm gonna try it first person view. Stop. That's not very easy. Alright, that works.
Hey, I'm the camera dude.
I know. Really, it doesn't even go that far, but... Begin! This is a first-person view of me. I am the one controlling that right now. It will switch in a little bit because my little sister won't leave me alone. You're in my range. Oh! I'm fine. I'm fine.
That was a practice.
No, it wasn't. That counted. I'm fine. All right, we both heard one hit.
I hit him someone accident. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh, that tricked off for 1 point. All right, now we're switching it over so it's no longer first person.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hit you there.
It's all right.
I'm trying to aim for your belly.
Yeah, I see that.
This is my post. This is my post. 3, 3,
Good luck.
2, wait, 1. Come here. Drop your gun.
Let's do this.
3, 2, 1, go!
Who's gonna take the first shot, me or you? You have the more range. You have more range than me.
Matt,
What are you doing?
Gracie has more range.
I know she does.
And
Are you gonna shoot me, put the gun upside down? I actually don't know how that would work with this. Go! Got her!
actually hurt a little.
Woo! 2! That is the end!
Thought we were having 3.
Best of 3. I already won 2 of them, which means there's only 1 game left.
See you guys!
Thank you for being here. See you guys later and have a great day.